everybody see me place the ace in my belt? You are not paying attention.
You have a bubble on top of your bonnet. Whatever you do, Chris, do not move. Do not move. Don't move, Chris! What about the rest of you? I am not going to do that. Relax. I would like to point out, though, Chris, that at no point did Walter try and stop me. Which I think is a conversation for breakfast. Keith, you have a very important job to do in this routine. It is a traditional Scottish country dance. It is called the Bahookie Shake, and it looks like this. Go for it, Keith. Just try and put a little bit more hip, and you won't get a bad back, okay? You're going to escape from my jacket. What?
Obviously, I have to be handcuffed into the jacket.
The second one goes behind my back. Gentlemen, work it out, it's a team effort. Down! It's one step forward, 2 steps back.
10, 9, everybody!
7,
Up!
6,
Up!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Down!
You've just been entertained by Ian Kendall! Come on, one more time, let's bring it back. Ian Kendall, ladies and gentlemen. Ian Kendall.
How?
What is happening?
It's a magic show.